Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you about this Isuzu. This one's 2017 and this one's gas, 6.0 liters gas. I'll show you where's the OBD port located and the fuse boxes. So OBD port if you need to plug in your computer or scan something with a computer or go for DQ to pass, you'll be right under the steering wheel. There's your OBD. And to get to your first fuse box location, it's gonna be inside, right in here. All you gotta do is just pull on this. This comes out, and there's your fuses and relays. And location is gonna be right on here. And to get to your second one, it's gonna be outside. If you want to get to your second one, it's gonna be located right under this fourth door. I mean the passenger doors in the back. And if you have two door, it's still gonna be the same area. To take this cover off, you have to push these in 1, 2, 3, 4. The best way to push it in with the screwdriver, push it in there and just push it, and same thing on this side. And then slowly, so you don't break anything, it comes off. And there's your fuses. And to put it back, just line it up. Make sure it clicks everywhere. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. That will help me a bunch. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.